To customize Bill4Time Payroll integration, start by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the Settings menu. From there, select the Payroll Integration option and choose the payroll provider you wish to integrate with. Next, you will be prompted to enter your payroll provider credentials, which will allow Bill4Time to connect to your payroll account. Once connected, you can begin mapping your Bill4Time data fields to your payroll provider fields. This step is crucial in ensuring that your payroll data is accurately synced between the two systems. In the mapping process, you will need to specify how your employee data, pay rates, and hours worked will be transferred from Bill4Time to your payroll provider. For example, you can map your Bill4Time employee IDs to your payroll provider employee IDs, and your Bill4Time pay rates to your payroll provider pay rates. After completing the mapping process, you can set up the payroll integration to run automatically at scheduled intervals. This will ensure that your payroll data is always up to date and accurate. It is also important to regularly review your payroll integration to ensure that it is working correctly and make any necessary adjustments. Best practices for customizing Bill4Time payroll integration include testing the integration thoroughly before going live, verifying that all data fields are correctly mapped, and establishing a regular review process to ensure the integration remains accurate and up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a seamless and accurate payroll integration with Bill4Time.